Hi, to scan documents and save them in PDF on iPhone 16e. Firstly, we are gonna need this Notes app. You can either open it and find Scan Documents option from here by clicking this icon, or you can press and hold app icon itself and select it from here. For me, it is more comfortable, so let's use it like that. And if you don't want to be in rush, then I suggest you to switch from auto option to manually scan documents because as you can see, it just randomly take photos. So I'm going to switch to manual. And now take your document and point camera at it like that. So it will be in those orange lines. Let me show you it like that. So as you can see, all of my text is within this orange frame. And whenever you're ready, just press camera shutter button. And now we can adjust this document by dragging the corners like that to make it perfect. And here you can either retake it if you messed up, or you can keep this scan. So let's click to save it. And right now I'm going to show you how to convert it to PDF. So for that, just click this arrow right here and choose Save to Files. And then pick folder. For example, I'm going to pick on my iPhone and save it right here. Now we are going to open Files app, find this document, open it, click arrow, and yep, here you can see information PDF document, meaning we just saved this file in PDF. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.